First, we will create a composition. Then we'll set the composition according to our preferred dimensions. We'll place our logo in the composition and position it at the center. At the very beginning of the timeline, we'll mark a keyframe each for position and rotation. Here I'm setting the logo's rotation to 90 degrees. I'm also moving the logo down, moving it down until it goes out of the composition frame. After a short while, I'll set the rotation keyframe back to 0 and keep the Y position the same as before. Next, I'll move one more second forward on the timeline and copy paste the initial position keyframe. For rotation here, I'll set it to minus 90 degrees. Then I'll select all the keyframes on the timeline and press F9 to easy ease them. After that, I'll first select the position keyframes and then go to the graph editor. I'm setting the handle influence to 100 for all of them. You should do it exactly this way. Next, select rotation and do the same for the rotations 100 as well. Set the handle influence to 100. Next, I'll double click on the middle of the graph or on the name and a new box will open. There I'll press continue. And I'll set both the input and output speed to 50. In this way, our logo bouncing effect will be created.